In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your domain name from Siteground to Hostinger. Transferring a domain can seem daunting at first, but with a little guidance, you'll have your domain up and running on Hostinger in no time. Let's get started with this straightforward process. First, you need to log into your Siteground account. Once you're in, head over to the My Accounts tab at the top of the dashboard. This area lists all your domains currently hosted with Siteground. Find the domain you wish to transfer and click on the Manage button next to it. Here, you're looking for the Domain Management area, where you'll find details and settings related to your domain. The next thing you need to do is unlock your domain for transfer. By default, domains are locked to prevent unauthorized transfers. In the Domain Management section, locate the domain lock status and toggle the option to unlock it. This step is crucial because until the domain is unlocked, the transfer cannot go through. Now, once your domain is unlocked, look for the option to obtain your EPP code. This is sometimes called an authorization or transfer code. This code is essential for transferring your domain to another registrar, like Hostinger. It ensures the transfer is authorized by you and keeps your domain safe. Siteground will typically email this code to the account associated with your domain registration. Keep an eye on your inbox and make sure you get this code, as you will need it shortly. At this point, switch over to your Hostinger account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to sign up first. Within the Hostinger dashboard, navigate to the Domains section and select Transfer Domain. You'll be prompted to enter the domain name you wish to transfer. Enter the complete domain name and press Transfer. Hostinger will now ask you for that EPP code you obtained earlier from Siteground. Enter the code in the provided field and proceed. Verify all the contact information and make any necessary corrections. This information is vital for domain registration and renewal notices. Make sure it's accurate and up to date. Before finalizing the transfer, you'll need to pay the transfer fee. This fee often covers an additional year of registration for your domain. Make the payment using your preferred method and confirm the transfer. Once confirmed, the transfer process can take a few days to complete, usually between 5 to 7 days. Keep an eye on your email for updates and approval requests from both Siteground and Hostinger. And that's it. You've successfully initiated the transfer of your domain name from Siteground to Hostinger. Pat yourself on the back for tackling this process, and enjoy the new benefits of your Hostinger hosting.